Start. It was submitted that if candidates were to be permitted to seek revaluation of answer books or inspection thereof, it will create confusion and chaos, subjecting its elaborate system of examinations to delay and disarray. It was stated that apart from class 10th and class 12th examination, CBSE also conducts several other examinations, bracket including the All India Pre-Medical Test, All India Engineering Entrance Examination and Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Selection Test, bracket close. If CBSE was required to reevaluate the answer book or grant inspection of answer books or grant certified copies thereof, it would interfere with its effective and efficient functioning and will also require huge additional staff and infrastructure. It was submitted that the entire examination system and evaluation system by CBSE is done in a scientific and systematic manner designed to ensure and safeguard the high academic standard, and at each level utmost care was taken to achieve the objective of excellence, keeping in view the interest of the students. CBSE referred to the following elaborate procedure for evaluation adopted by it. The examination paper are set of the teachers with at least 20 years of teaching experience and proven integrity. Paper setters are normally appointed from amongst academicians recommended by then committee of course of the board. Every paper setter is asked to set more than one set of question paper which are moderated by a team of moderators who are appointed from the academician of the university or from amongst the senior principal. The function of modernization team is to ensure correctness and consistency of different set of question papers with the curriculum and to assess the difficulty level to cater to the students of different schools in different categories. After assessing the paper from every point of view, the team of moderators give a declaration whether the whole syllabus is covered by a set of question papers, whether the distribution of difficulty level of the set is parallel, and various other aspects to ensure uniform standards. The board also issued detailed instruction for the guidelines of the moderators in order to ensure uniform criteria for assessment. The evaluator system on the whole is well organized and foolproof. All the candidates are examined through question papers set by the same paper setter. Their answer book are marked with fictitious roll numbers so as to conceal their identity. The work of allotment of fictitious roll number is carried out by a team working under a chief secrecy officer having full autonomy. The chief secrecy officer and his team is assistant are academician drawn from the university and other autonomy educational bodies not connected with the board. The chief secrecy officer himself is usually a person of the rank of a university professor. No official of the board at the central or regional level is associated with him in performance of the task assigned to him. The codes of fictitious roll number and their sequences are generated by the chief secrecy officer himself on the basis of mathematical formula which renderized the real roll number and are known only to him and his team. This ensures complete secrecy about the identification of the answer book. So much so that even the chairman of the board and the controller of examination of the board do not have any information regarding the fictitious roll number granted by the chief secrecy officer and their real counterpart number. At the evaluation stage, the board ensure complete fairness and uniformity by providing a marking scheme which is uniformity applicable to all the examination in order to eliminate the chance of subjectivity. These marking schemes are jointly prepared at the headquarters of the board in Delhi by the subject experts of all the regions. The main purpose of the marking scheme is to maintain uniformity in the evaluation of the answer books. The evaluation of the answer books in all major subjects, including mathematics, science subjects, in is done in centralized on the sport evaluation centralized where the examiners get answer books in interpreted serial orders.